Hi, I'm Joe Galilin. I'm the National Sales Manager for Tapmatic. I'd like to welcome you to our booth at IMTS 2024. So Tapmatic Corporation is a U.S. manufacturer based in North Idaho in the city of Post Falls. We've been making tapping attachments since 1952. It's a third generation family-owned business, and also in addition to our tapping products, we also manufacture marking and deburring products. So I'd just like to give you a quick walkthrough of our booth, show you some of our products. We'll start with our tapping products. We've been making these type of tools, what our company started out as in the 1950s. Originally a more simple design. We've made several different models and variations throughout the decades. And here all of our products have been, in the self-reversing line, have been completely renewed in the last couple of years. So I'd just like to show you some of the new products that Tapmatic has just come out with. So this tool here is called our Drill and Tap 50. It's a self-reversing tapping head made for manual machines such as drill presses, manual Bridgeport style machines. It has a quick change spindle here where you have the ability to use a spot drill into the spindle. You do the quick change sleeve to a drill, and then once you've created your drilled hole, a quick change to our tap here. So this has been a great new product for us. It's very popular as far as setup. You can easily change between bits. It saves a lot of the setup time and also gives you better concentricity on your hole. We've also renewed the entire line, so our RX2 models, these are our latest tapping heads. We have them available in 3 sizes. The 30, which is for taps up to 1/4 inch, the 50 for taps up to 1/2 inch, and then the 70 for taps up to 3/4 inch. In addition, we have our new, this is the largest tapping head we offer. It's called our 90X2. A lot of the X models have been around for many decades. This is the second version of that. This is made for taps up to 1 1/8 inches. And so this would be our largest tapping head. And for CNC self-reversing tapping heads, we offer 3 sizes. The RDT25, which is made for small taps, with an ER11 spindle for up to 1/4 inch capacity. These can be used on small machines, even some routers you can use for machining in aluminum. And then for the larger sizes, up to 1/2 inch or up to 3/4 inch, larger tap sizes, these heads are very handy when there's a high volume tapping application. It enables the spindle to run in the forward direction the entire time without reversal. So we call this constant speed tapping. The machine doesn't need to ramp up or ramp down or reverse. You stay in 1 RPM the entire time. You feed in, and just the retraction of the machine spindle puts your tap into reverse. So this is the fastest way to tap on the market. It's made for high volume applications. In addition, it also saves energy on your machine spindle, as you're not having to ramp down, ramp up. So it's also a very green way of tapping, especially for energy-minded shops. And also made for CNC machines, we have our SynchroFlex 2 line. These are our most popular tapping attachments. These are made for machines with rigid tapping, but they feature what we call a micro compensation. So inside these units, there's a machined spring called the flexure. It just has a small amount of compensation to account for the discrepancies between the encoder and the tap, and also as the tap wears, there will always be some discrepancy. So this will enable you to have longer tool life and also a better quality thread. These are featured from the smallest size, our SynchroFlex 5 with an ER8 spindle, all the way up to our SynchroFlex 150 with an ER50 spindle. These are all available with through spindle coolant up to 80 bar, and these have been manufactured in Idaho for about 15 years. Is the second rendition of these. This would be our most popular tapping attachment here. So in addition to all of our tapping attachment, Tapmatic also manufactures marking and deburring tools for in-machine marking and deburring. We have 3 types of marking tools. The first is our ScribeWriter Force 2. This is a spring-loaded tool for scribing lines in metal, aluminum, steels, titaniums, really any metal. It has a carbide stylus with an adjustable force setting for different materials and also to change your depth. Our marking heads come in 2 sizes. These are made for stamping the workpiece. You can use standard type such as these, or we also offer customized stamp options. Our dot peen system, called our TapWriter, this is used for dot peening on the machining center. So it eliminates the need to have a secondary operation or a dedicated cell for dot peening. You can get very clear marks, and every time the spindle of the machine rotates, you get 2 strikes of the stylus. So you can change the look based on the RPM and feed rate of your machine. For our deburring, Tapmatic has come out with the DeBurr-Z. This is one of our newest tools here. It features an axial floating spindle, which works in compression and extension. It has adjustable force setting as well, where you can change the spring preload in order to get a stiffer spring rate. That could come in handy if you want a deeper chamfer, or also if you have a hard material. We sell carbide burrs, which come in a large variety of shapes and sizes. We typically use 1/4-inch shank tools to fit in our ER11 collet chuck. The spherical burrs are very common. With this tool, you can do both top and underside deburring. We also offer special carbide tools. This as well could be used for top and underside deburring. But in addition, we also have an engraving point. So with this one tool, you can do the top of your part, bottom of the part, and you can mark your part. It's a very popular option for us. Tapmatic Corporation has formed a partnership with a company called O.M.G. SRL located in Cavriago, Italy. And under that partnership, we have formed the new brand called O.M.G. North America. So we act as the U.S. importer, sales, and service center for all the standard products offered by O.M.G. SRL. The main products that are offered are the right angle heads. O.M.G. offers the largest selection of angle heads on the market today. We have over 100 different models. These are very high quality angle heads. They feature all steel body construction, Gleason bevel gears, and very high precision angular contact bearings. We produce a large amount of standard tooling, but about 40 to 50% of our products are fully customized solutions. We can do angle heads of the variety of sizes. You get in small bores. We can do extended length angle heads. In addition to the right angle heads, we can also do angles other than 90 degrees. For example, this is a fixed 45-degree head. This is a variable head where you can change the angle. And this is one of our new products, part of our TAV series, the digital version. So with this, there's a scale which reads out the angle in real time, making the setup very easy on the machine, and you simply clamp with an Allen screw to keep that in place. So this has been a real innovative product for us, something that we just come out with, and it's been received well in the market. One of our other products I'd like to highlight, our TA26, one of our most popular models. It's a very robust angle head. It features a Cap 40 output spindle. You could run a 1-inch end mill or a 2-inch face mill in steel, for example, and also other drills, slotting cutters. Really a great attachment with the Cat 40 spindle. So these are our spindle speeders. These have been recently redesigned. The MOX series. These are all gear-driven mechanical speeders. So they feature a gear ratio typically of 1:8. So what that means is if you have, let's say for example, a tool that you would like to run at 16,000 RPMs, you could just run your machine spindle at 2,000 RPMs, and that 16,000 would be on your output. So that allows people with machines limited by RPM to run smaller tools, some carbide tools, and just other capacities on their machine they wouldn't have had without a spindle speeder. In addition to our heavy-duty right angle heads, our TA series, we also feature a few lighter series for smaller machines or machines that have limited capacities on their automatic tool change. These TAL series of angle heads have been received well. Particularly, this line has been made for Haas machines. O.M.G offers a turnkey solution for the Cat 40 VF machines. It comes with everything you need. The head, the stop block, which is made specifically for the Haas VF spindle. It's this very simple installation with 2 bolts, and this will clamp in there to hold the rotation stationary. O.M.G offers rotating turret heads. These are driven by a central shaft, and it's clamped with a hearth coupling. So once the hearth is released, it enables a very quick index for a fast tool change. So these are designed primarily for transfer machines and special machines. So instead of having an entire tool changer, you can just have a turret. These are available in several sizes as well to fit a wide variety of tools.